introduce myself. My name is Andi Latifah Kunedishananda. You can call me Ola. I'm taking at Rumah Belajar Bersama. Today I will read a pronunciation. Lesson 23. The Amateur Photographer. I went into our local Chinese shop and handed a roll of film to Mr. Dot. I want to have this film developed and printed, please, I said. When will it be ready? On Thursday, Mr. Dot answered. I hope they're successful this time, I said, and left the shop. I returned the following Thursday. Is my film be ready? I asked. Mr. Dot looked at me sadly. Here is it, Mr. Hikmet, he said. I opened the envelope eagerly and looked at the photographs. There are only 8 photographs here, I exclaimed. I ought to have 36. Did you have the photograph yourself? Mr. Dot asked. I nodded. I'm afraid you spoiled the roll of film, he said. Your camera lets in light. I looked at the 8 photographs. 2 of them were almost black, and 3 of them were almost white. I laughed when I saw the rest of them. My sister has no legs in this one, and looked at this 3. It's growing out of my brother's hair. I'm afraid they're not very successful, Mr. Dot said. I'll never be a photographer, I said sadly.
Good. Next.
Lesson 24. It's quicker on foot. Have you pressed the button? Judy asked. Yes, Frank answered. The lift is coming. Look, it's at the 4th floor. Frank pointed at the number over the door of the lift. It will never come to the 7th floor, Judy said. Look, it's at the 3rd floor now. It's going down again. We have been here for 5 minutes. We can't wait all day. I'm going to walk down the stairs. Well, I'm not going to walk down all those stairs, Frank said. I'll wait for you on the ground floor, Judy said. I'll be there before you, Frank replied. Judy walked down the stairs. She did no hurry. When she reached the ground floor, she looked for Frank. He wasn't there. She looked at the numbers over the door of the lift. The lift was at the 4th floor. The hall porter was looking at the numbers too, and Judy spoke to him. What happened to the lift? She asked. It has stopped between the 3rd and 4th floors. The porter answered. That's the 3rd time this morning. And then, lesson 25. First flight. 5 tourists walked slowly across the air flight, where a very small aircraft was waiting for them. The plane was used on local flights and had only 2 engines. The passengers got into the plane and sat down. Fasten your seat belt, please, the air hostess said. And an old lady turned to the air hostess. Please help me with this belt, she asked. I have never been on a airplane aeroplane before, and I feel rather nervous. Don't worry, the air hostess said kindly. The planes are the safest in the world.
These planes.
These planes are the safest in the world. Safest in the world. Then the hostess went round with a tray of sweets. She offered a She offered a sweet to each of the passengers. Take one of these, she said to the old lady. It will help you to swallow. Suddenly, the plane began to shake the rudder. It moved quickly down the runway and slowly climbed into the air. When the plane was in the air, the hostess went to the old lady again. Didn't the sweet help to swallow? She asked. No, I'm afraid it didn't, the old lady answered. But it took my mind off the plane. May I have another one, please?
Make it good.
Thank you for watching.